if I go ahead to place withdrawal on my Sweetcoin, when am I supposed to get the withdrawals on my PayPal or the gift cards that I have actually signed for? Now, this particular email was gotten from Sweetcoin, and I'm going to be telling you how I was able to get my rewards right from Sweetcoin. You can see Sweetcoin, here is your Bitly balance card. Okay, dear user, since you have chosen the Bitly balance card option, here is your balance card. So you can see right here that this is the link. To redeem your reward, please follow the instructions below. Click the link above and you will be redirected to our partner Bitly's website. Okay, create an account on Bitly's website, then please click on the above link again while logging in and simply click on the red redeem button to get your balance. All amounts are in USD but will convert into your local currency. Select your country on the right top, then use your balance purchasing anything you enjoy on the list. Now, this particular message was gotten from Sweetcoin on the 11th of November. Okay, so I placed a withdrawal 2 weeks ago, so I got this message after 2 weeks. That is what it means. So if you're going to be placing your withdrawal on Sweetcoin using gift cards, that means you will be getting this message after 2 weeks. Now, for those of you that are withdrawing through PayPal, in this video, I'm going to be showing you what you also tend to expect. So we are going to be following this process to redeem our gift card. So I'm going to be clicking on this link just as they said. Click on the link above and it will redirect you, and I'm going to create an account with this particular platform. So once I click on this link now, it's going to redirect me right here. So what I just need to do is to create an account for myself. Now, this is how the interface look like. Log in below to access your Bitly account. So I don't have an account. So what we'll be doing right here is to create an account for myself. So you can see right here, when you come beneath here, you can see don't have an account, create an account. So I'm going to click on create an account and it's going to bring me right here. So I just need to come right here and fill out all these details. So I'm going to be putting my details right here so I can get an account. So I'm going to come right here and put in my password, also confirm my password, and I'm going to check this box if you have a referral code. Okay, so come right here and check if you have a referral code. So I'm going to click on this. So I'm going to click on create an account. Okay, so I just clicked on create an account and my account will be created right on this platform. So what I just want to say is that I think it will be better you redeem via your gift card. So I'm going to save this like this. So right here, you can see that this is the gift card code on my account, which is this. So you can see I just got a message to verify my address. Okay, so you can see where it says I should redeem this gift card. So what we are going to be doing is that I'm going to go over to my email to get the next message so we can proceed with this. So when you come down to my email, you can see the first one that says click the link above and you will be redirected. Then number 2 said create an account website, then click on the above link while you log in and click on the red and redeem button so you get your balance and select your currency. So what we're going to be doing now is to go over to our account and I'm going to select the redeem button. So right here you can see that this is the redeem card of the Bitly gift card. So what I'm going to do is to click on redeem right here. So you can see I have been added to my Bitly store credit. So this has actually been added to my store credit. So after redeeming this card, my advice for you that don't have PayPal account is to go through the method of gift cards on your Sweetcoin. So I actually used through the gift card to get my, as you can see right now that I have $25 on my account after redeeming your gift card. So as you can see right here, trading gift cards in Naira, which you can trade your gift card. You can see we have Visa Gold, which is also one of the popular gift cards right here. You can see we have Xbox. We have Bitly gift cards also. We have some other gift cards which you can redeem for cash. Okay, so you can come right here and redeem your gift card for cash. So you are not losing when you're using gift cards to withdraw your funds from Sweetcoin. Okay, just make sure you're doing the rightful thing on your Sweetcoin so you can get your rewards. I made a video on how you can access Sweetcoin to also get your reward. So it's an easy process to get started with Sweetcoin to get your reward on Sweetcoin. So it's an easy one to get access on Sweetcoin and also get the value of it. Like when I started this video, I said I waited for at least 2 weeks for me to get my rewards via gift card. So if you choose to follow that process, you can go around it and get your reward. For some of us that actually use PayPal, I don't know how many days it took us to get our funds. Now, if we done on Sweatcoin and using PayPal, you can go down in the comment section and tell us how many days it took you for you to get your rewards. So I actually used through the gift card and I got mine after 2 weeks. Okay, so you can see right here that we can exchange our gift cards to naira. So once you come right here and click this, you can actually see the rate of which you will be getting this. So you can see right here that Visa Gold is actually online. You can see right here that the minimum is 10, 20 and the likes of it. So you just want to come right here and select which one you want to go for. Let's say we are selecting 20 right here. You are going to be seeing the total you are going to be getting, and you are going to be following this process to get your funds on your account. So that is how to actually use gift cards to withdraw your earnings. Alternatively, to withdraw from your gift card or to use your gift card to get something on this platform, all you can do right now is to come right to find the particular gift card you have. Let me say right here I have the withdrawal gift card. I'm going to come right here and click on this. And once this loads, you can see the range of amount of gift cards they have right here. So you can come right here under custom to click on this and insert the exact one you have and click on checkout and proceed in selling out your gift card, and it will be converted to naira. Now right here you can see the amount we have in pounds. You can also come right here and you are going to be seeing the USD, euro and other currencies right there. So you can go ahead to choose of which you want to use to get these funds from. Now, the moment you check this out, you are going to be seeing the equivalent in the currency you've chosen. Then you can now go ahead in proceeding to selling your gift card, be paid equivalent to what you have selected, as the process is very simple and quite understandable. All you just need to do is to follow the process and choose the payment of which you want them to credit you after selling this gift card. Now, another way you can use to get benefit of the card you have actually redeemed on Betway is to come over to this particular interface where you can actually see this shopping. Now, when you come right here, you are going to be seeing that you can come right here to do some other things with your gift card. When you come above right here, you can see all gift cards, eSIM, travel, gaming, and the likes of it. So these are what you can do with your gift card. Let me say you actually want to get eSIM with your gift card. You're going to come under eSIM and you're going to be seeing that you can use your gift card to get an eSIM right here, as you're going to be seeing the amount and the duration of the eSIM you are getting right here. Now you can also come right here and see under travel what you can get with this gift card. So there are a lot of things you can do with the gift card you're getting right here. You can also see we have the food and groceries right here, and you can see the entertainment and the likes of other things you can do right here. You can see prepaid phones, you can see phone codes, you can see other bundles right here. So the benefit of using this particular platform to redeem your reward from Sweatcoin is actually advisable, because you're going to be getting more benefit when you have your funding right here. Now when you come under gifts, you can also see some things you can get with your gift card. So there are lots of benefits when you choose to actually redeem your gift card via this particular platform, and also using that to withdraw from your Sweatcoin instead of using PayPal and getting too many charges on PayPal. So right here you can see that I still have my balance on my account, and I can go ahead to also use my balance for different things and also get to sell my gift card and get funding of any currency I choose right on this platform. So this is how you can actually place a withdrawal from your Sweatcoin down to the Braithwaite gift card, and also use this particular amount you have on your gift card to do some other things, or if you choose to withdraw that after selling the gift card. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got much value from this video, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. However, it is always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group. You can find the link on the pinned comment section, where you get to join this wonderful family and get to leverage more on the online space. So see you on my next video, and keep winning.